Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sindhu. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today's video I'm going to talk about all the baby products that I bought from Amazon and absolutely loved. So buying from Amazon is a huge plus because their delivery time is like crazy short, right? When you buy a product on Amazon, there's a very high chance that you get it delivered tomorrow or day after. So when you have a baby, you need everything uh, in a short span, right? You cannot keep everything in your mind. There's so much going on in your life, and if you're pregnant or you're a new mom watching this video, first of all, congratulations. And let me tell you guys everything that I love from Amazon. And these products are not just good price wise, but they're also durable. And this is something that I've personally used. I'm only stating the ones that I've used for almost a year and a half now and loved it. Let's jump right into it, and I'm gonna state the products in the same order as I bought them. That's when I started buying when I was pregnant for a newborn, and then now I purchased for a toddler. So I'm gonna state all the items in the same order. The first thing that I want to mention is the Tinchuk Nama Baby cloth diapers. If at all you're planning to cloth diaper your newborn baby, then this will be your best choice. It's been one of the softest diapers, cloth diapers that I've come across. I went for First Cry and I did not shop on Amazon for cloth diapers. But once the baby was born, and the cloth diapers that I bought from First Cry were not that soft, I went and bought the Tinchuk Nama Baby cloth diaper. And oh my god, there's a lot of difference in the softness and the quality of the diapers compared to the ones on the First Cry and this. So I absolutely recommend this. This is like super soft, and you get a set of 12 diapers for 560 bucks. So yeah, it's a steal. So this is something that I highly recommend if you are trying to use cloth diapers for your baby. My second recommendation is of course the massage oil, which we still use it on my toddler to massage her occasionally, and also on her hair. I use it on my face to give myself a massage, facial massage sometimes, and it works wonderfully. I completely vouch by this product. It's fragrance free, and it's again cold press, so you know it's like a quality product. The third thing that I recommend is the Mom's Organic quilt, an AC quilt or a blanket. I was going to recommend this. This is another 6-layer muslin blanket. This is something that I bought for my baby. I will not lie, the one that I'm recommending is not something that I bought for my baby. So this product I bought for $6.99, and now it retails, I checked before doing this video as a part of research, it retails for $1,099. It's definitely not worth $1,099. It's super soft, it doesn't wear off in a very ugly way, but still it's not worth $1,099. I bought it for $6.99. I bought two of them, but I highly recommend the Mom's Home AC quilt. I'm going to attach the link in the description below, and I'm going to attach the picture here. I'm going to highly recommend this product. This is something that I have not used personally, but I have seen my neighbors use it for the twins, and I used to always be at their place. So I have also like touched it, I felt it, I know the quality of it, and it is pretty amazing. The next product that I want to talk about is the True Mom Carry Cot, the car seat, and the rocker. So I'm not talking about three products here, I'm talking about just the one product, and it has three different benefits. So this is something that we bought for our daughter when she was 20 days old. We did not use it when she was 20 days old though, but we did use it when she was 1.5 months old. We had to travel for personal reasons. So that is when we used it, and a 1.5-month-old baby was absolutely comfortable. And if you are traveling with a baby abroad, then I highly recommend getting your baby used to a car seat, because outside India, especially in the West, it's very important that your baby sits in the car seat when it's in the car. It's the rules there. You cannot carry your baby on your lap like you do in our country. So we went to Canada when my baby was like 7 months old, and it was a very hard time to put her in car seat all the time. So she was not used to sitting for long hours in the car seat, and she used to get cranky. So it took us a lot of effort to make her remain seated in the car seat when we were in Canada. So yeah, that being said, coming back to True Mom car seat, it is very comfortable for a really small baby. as small as a newborn. So it is like really cozy. It's not very like wide. It won't make your baby like fall on the sides. It is a carry cord if you want to take your baby outside to a park or just outside to your garden and you want to carry your baby in something. So it is a carry cord, it is a car seat, and this is a rocker as well. So you want to put your baby in the house on the floor and you want to rock the baby. You do not have to invest in a different Fisher Price rocker. You can buy this will be your rocker as well. So yeah, this was one great product and we really enjoyed. My baby sat in it until she was 1.5 and then she did not fit into it after that. Coming up next is another amazing find on Amazon. This is something that I again learned from my neighbors who had the twins. They were a great source of knowledge for me as a parent. Like I used to turn to them for everything literally. So they had these foam mats. They're basically like foam jigsaw puzzles, and they can be used like everywhere, not just for baby. They can be used to exercise and just cover up a space, like to make it warmer and stuff like that. But this was a great find, you guys. It was an amazing like a discovery for me when I saw it at their place. I knew that I had to get it when I had a baby. So this was another thing that we bought when she was 2 months old. So our baby flipped, as in like she turned on her tummy when she was 1.5. Once they flip, it is very difficult to put them on the bed and secure the bed, because obviously they want to explore, they want to keep rolling, and it's not safe to always put them on the bed. You cannot like walk around freely, like you will always have that in your head, that is she safe on the bed. So it's better to just have these mats on the ground. When our baby was like small, when until she was 4 5 months old, we used to put a quilt on these mats so that it is a little cushiony for her to roll around and stuff. So once she turned 6 months old, we removed the quilt because it's easy for her to crawl now. She used to do the soldier crawl when she was like 6 months old. So we removed the quilt. So this foam mat is an amazing find. We use it even today because it's absolutely mess free space. It's very easy to clean, you guys. Just put soap and just scrub with your hand or with a brush, and then put it for dry, and it'll come out dry in like 2 hours, like all dry. So and I like literally put it everywhere, even now when she's eating, when she's painting, she is just having a diaper free time, she's always on that mat. And also, if when you are training the baby, like your baby led weaning, when you are making them sit on the high chair, if it's on the mat, it's even better, because everything goes on the mat. You can just take out the mat and just clean the mat, because obviously they spill everything everywhere. So yeah, it's easier to clean the mat than the floor. So yeah, this mat is like a great investment. Apart from the baby usage, I am doing yoga on the mat now. It's super comfortable, it's super cushiony. So yeah, another benefit of the mat. So this is a great investment. It's a must buy. It's a huge recommendation from my side. The next thing I want to recommend are the bibs that I found on Amazon. This is something that I just went and randomly searched as bibs and it came first. I'm sure even you guys will get this product first. I think it's Amazon's choice as well. But these bibs were great, you guys. I think I got a pair of 3, as in like 6 bibs for, for 249 rupees. Can you believe that? 6 bibs for 249 rupees, and they're waterproof. And initially when you start solids for your baby, they usually spit up a lot, so it's very important that you put bibs on your baby. They learn to like wear it. These bibs, like they fit perfectly to the baby's neck size, and the snap button is like really strong, like even we have to try and then pull it and then it comes out, because if the snap button is really weak, the baby does this and the bib comes out. And babies initially they're not used to wearing bibs, so some babies might get irritated, so they try pulling the bib again and again and they keep throwing it here and there. That doesn't happen with this bib. It is really good. The snap quality, clip quality is really good. And it's a steal, you guys. You get 6 different bibs for 249 bucks, and waterproof that too. Like, it's pretty amazing. I really like the quality. This is something my daughter used until she was one, not 1.5, I think she was 13 months old, 13 or 14 months old. And after that she was like, she was so irritated by it, I had to buy another bib. I'm gonna tell you guys about it in the same list later. I can vouch for the durability and the quality of this bib. It's pretty amazing. It's a must buy. So now that we're continuing talking about food and baby and stuff, I have come to a stage where the baby is like 6 months old and you need stuff to make your baby eat. Next thing I'm talking about is the Munchkin bowls. These are 4 different bowls with lid, and oh my god, they say airtight and it's actually airtight, you guys. Nothing comes out of it. You know, I used to carry like these First Bites powder in it, and then I used to carry a glass in a bottle of hot water and travel out. My go-to boxes for travel were these Munchkin bowls. I even traveled with them to Canada, and I filled cereals in that, and then I used to mix it with hot water and give it to my baby. uh, the powder never leaks. Any other box also, it's pretty safe to say that the powder never leaks. But even after mixing and making it a cereal and feeding it, the leftover never used to leak in the bag. I used to put it in a Ziploc just for, you know, safety's sake. I used to carry a box, a spoon, and a bib and a washcloth in a Ziploc. So that was my the carry-on pouch for food. But box never leaked. So I used to take purees in it. Like, I used to take pumpkin puree, sweet potato puree, apple puree, and stuff like that, you know, when we were going to the hotels to eat. And it never leaked. From 6 months to I think 14, 15 months, this is absolutely amazing for you to use for a baby. And again, like, if you want to carry things, then this is a great box. You know, like this, I use it as a box, I use it as a bowl. I use it even today to just carry her snacks. If I have to carry like fruits or grapes or just dry fruits or anything, then I put it in that box and I take it. It's a very small box, so it comes in the diaper bag very easily. So this is something that I again highly recommend. I absolutely loved using these bowls, and can't recommend this enough. Okay, next thing is spoons. When I'm talking so much about food, then again you need spoons. So Mothercare spoons were another amazing find on Amazon. Again, I just searched spoons and then I found these Mothercare spoons. They're super good quality, different colors, just to attract the baby. Even if you want to start baby led weaning, then your baby will like to eat. Do not invest in those Teda spoons that the Fisher Price makes, the ones with the silicone spoon. The handle is very stiff, but the spoon is made of silicone. Guys, do not invest in that. I can make a whole different video on things that you should not buy from Amazon for your baby. There are a lot of things that I've bought and I've wasted it. Tell me if you guys want to watch a video like that, like an anti-haul. You should things that you should not buy for your baby and yourself when you're pregnant and you're, you know, like in your parenthood. So I have a whole different, I have a lot of products to even make that video. The next thing I want to talk about is another bib, that is a full size full arm bib. Once you start the baby led weaning process, this is a must have. Even as the baby grows, this is something that the baby will be more comfortable in. And like, just to make your baby eat by himself or herself, and also, you know, during painting, or you want to do some activity with the baby and you want to cover the clothes the baby is wearing, this is a great find again. So I bought from a link that I'm going to attach below, which retailed for around 419 rupees. But when I was doing the research, I found a similar product that retailed for 200 and odd bucks, and it was again a great thing. So I'm gonna buy more of those. It's just full arms and full coverage on the front, and then there's a tie at the back. So your baby, the whole front portion of the clothes are covered and the arms are covered, because usually when your baby is eating, they're gonna literally put things everywhere. So yeah, it's gonna go on the arms of the shirt or the top as well. So it's better to use a full length bib for your baby. That'll be better once the baby is a little older. So the last product that I want to talk about is from Munchkin again. Once my baby outgrew the smaller boxes that I spoke about, I bought these big bowls. This is a smaller one. Actually, there are three different sizes. Yeah, these three bowls, these are from Munchkin again. So the speciality of these bowls is the suction at the bottom. So when you start doing baby-led weaning, you want to keep the bowls in one place for a baby to, like start eating, right? You don't want to just give a regular bowl to your baby, because they take the bowl and they throw it away. Also, when they run the spoon in the bowl shakes and it goes places. So it's better to give a bowl which has some suction. This bowl is oven proof as well, so if you want to heat up something, then you can directly take this and heat this in the oven. And yeah, the suction power is like really good. It doesn't come off, the baby will definitely not figure out to pull it out. There is a small gap here which you have to like hold and pull. Until then, even you cannot pull it out. It's like pretty hard. So yeah, for a baby that is over one, this bowl size will be perfect, because the amount of food they eat, I think this bowl size will be perfect. And for snacks and for other finger food, you can use the other two bowls. Yeah, for food, this size will be perfect for like a 1 year plus baby. So these were my recommendation, you guys. I absolutely loved these products from Amazon, and they get delivered so fast and the quality is good. Even if the product comes damaged, you can return it and you can, like get a replacement for it. So that is the beauty of buying on Amazon, and that is the whole reason why I'm making this video. Because when you are a new parent, you need things fast, because you will have not planned for everything. There are a lot of things that you learn in the process. So a lot of things you buy and you like literally try out. So these were my recommendations, and these are a must buy. As I'm saying this as a parent, I don't get any benefits out of the link. I don't have any affiliation with Amazon. I'm just making this video for my viewers to just get benefited out of it. And I hope you enjoyed this video and took some information out of it. Please like this video if you did, and please share it with your fellow mommies and fellow parents, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget that, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care, you guys. Bye.